Tired of your YouTube shorts getting lost in the void? Let's transform bland clips into viral content using CapCut PC in just 90 seconds. First, fire up CapCut PC and create a new project. Then drag and drop your raw footage into the project panel. Simple, right? Next, drag your clip onto the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Trim the beginning and end to cut out any unnecessary fluff. Focus on the most engaging moments. Keep it short and sweet. Now, let's add some text. Click on the text tool, choose a bold font, and write a catchy headline that grabs attention immediately. Place it strategically, maybe near the top, so it's always visible. Time for effects. Click on the Effects tab and browse the trending options. A subtle glow, a zoom effect, or even a quick flash can make your short more dynamic. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. If you're using multiple clips, transitions are your friend. Go to the Transitions tab and pick a smooth transition like a fade or a wipe. Apply it between your clips for a seamless flow. Audio is key. Mute the original audio if it's not great and head to the Audio tab. CapCut has a library of royalty-free music. Find an upbeat track that complements your video's vibe and drag it onto the timeline. Adjust the volume so it's not overpowering. Crucially, change the aspect ratio to 916. This is the vertical format perfect for YouTube Shorts. You'll find this option in the Settings menu. Alright, almost there. Click Export, choose a high resolution, at least 108p and a smooth frame rate like 30fps or 60fps. Give your short a catchy title with relevant keywords. Finally, upload your short to YouTube. In the description, use relevant hashtags like hashtag YouTube Shorts and hashtag CapCut to help people find your video, and that's it. Now go create some awesome shorts, grow your channel, and watch those views skyrocket. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy video editing tips.